What would you do, part 15? Ladies, what would you do if your boyfriend or your husband was to come to you and tell you that he and his baby mother plan to have a family trip? However, you're not invited, so it will be him, the child, and the baby mother. The goal is to reconcile their differences as co-parents, and they believe that if they spend some time together with the child, they'll be able to form that bond that is necessary to be better co-parents. What would you do? What would you say? How would you feel? I want you to share those thoughts, those feelings in the comment section. Like, share, follow. And if you're seeing this video anywhere apart from YouTube, please head over to my YouTube at kelsonthoughts876 and give me a follow there.